This is a surefire way of getting rid of hiccups. Don't listen to any of the others. You don't need a pencil or a spoon. All you need is a glass of water. Basically, all you do is take little sips constantly, like so. But whilst you're taking little sips, after each sip, swallow. Because every time you swallow, you cancel out the hiccup. If you do that for 15 seconds, your hiccups disappear. Little sips, swallow after each sip. It's as simple as that. Bye bye.